Parental guidance suggested.
Justin! Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not in my usual setup. I'm actually in Temecula for a little birthday weekend. Not mine, another person's. But I thought it would be cool if you guys just watched me get ready and we did a little chit chat, get ready with me. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm actually gonna start off with my eyes per usual. So I have this fucking monster on my face that just literally, my face was perfectly clear. And then my body was like, oh, you want to look decent this weekend for your boyfriend's family? Think again. So I have a huge ass pimple. So I'm going to put some concealer on my lids. Okay guys, I actually ended up making this voiceover because I just wanted to. So I end up going in with Golden Ochre for that first transition shade. And then after that, in my Desi x Katy collection, I'm going to end up going with Necessary right over top of that. I decided to use a combination of these two palettes for today's look. So that's Golden Ochre right there, and as soon as you see me going in with that dark brown shade, that's actually Necessary from the Dose of Colors Desi x Katy collection. From there, I end up going in with a little bit of Burnt Orange, which you'll see in a little bit, to help blend those two together from the Anastasia palette. And then right there, right into the middle of my crease, I am going in with Churro, which I really like, and it gives my transition a lot of definition. And then from there I'm actually gonna go in with a little bit of Cheens, which is that dark brown shade, and I'm going in with Just a Kiss on the lid right there to give myself a little bit of a sparkly moment on the lid. It's kind of like glitter. And from here I just kind of keep going back in and blending whatever I think needs to be blended. And then right here I'm actually going in with Cypress Umber from Anastasia because it didn't give me the definition I wanted on the outer crease. And I'm just going to keep blending and blending with different transition brushes to make sure I'm happy with the look. But I'm going in with the same shades over and over again. And then I'm just going in with any kind of powder shade you can use, but I ended up using Basic right on the outer edges to really blend that stuff in. From here I'm going in with my Smashbox Primerizer to help moisturize my skin.
There. I love you.
I love you too. And then I'm just going to go in with the NYX Angel Veil to really help blur the rest of my pores. Now I had this huge pimple, so I concealed it with the green color corrector from e.l.f. And then I actually set it with the Too Faced setting powder in translucent to help make sure that that green and my concealer shade doesn't blend together. And then I just end up putting foundation over top, which is my Bourjois Healthy Mix Serum. I just blend it in with my beauty blender, and then after this, I just keep applying concealer in places that I need it, and I really build it up around that huge pimple around my mouth. This actually ended up lasting the entire night. The pimple never showed through, you couldn't see any redness, so I really recommend this technique for covering up any big pimples. And I'm just gonna go in, perfect my face. I really want it to look flawless tonight because I'm going out with some friends. And I'm just cleaning up that little wing area that I have around my eye. And then here you can just see me touching up the eyeshadow, going in with a couple more transition shades, fixing what I think needs to be fixed. Now at this point, I'm going in with the Rodeo Drive highlighter right around my brow bone to give myself some more definition. And then I'm going to be setting my face with the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in NC25 to give myself more coverage. And I really press that into my pimple to make sure it lasts all night. From here I start watching those videos, which is what inspires the end of this video. And then I go in with a translucent powder one more time to really blend it all over to make sure this lasts the whole night. Setting is really important. Then I just go back in with Golden Ochre, Churro, Basic, and Necessary to really help give myself a smoky under eye. And you can see me just going in with an Anastasia brush and really blending those lines together and giving myself some depth. In the inner corner, I'm going in with the Rodeo Drive highlighter again from Ofra Cosmetics. And then I'm going to start bronzing my face with the NARS Laguna Bronzer, which is my favorite bronzer for nights out. I give myself some more definition here. I use it like a bronzer and a contour, and I'm cracking up at the video. And then I'm going to go in with the NARS palette, and that's going to give me some more definition. I'm actually going in with Come Hither and Make You Mine to kind of combine those two shades to give myself a nice pinky peach look. Now I'm cleaning up my contour slash bronzing area with some powder. This is the Too Faced powder again in translucent. I got it everywhere and it's all over my shirt, but that's fine because I ended up changing it later. Now here I'm going in with my Colourpop's Cosmetics highlighter in Flexitarian. I really end up blending that out around my eyeshadow and on my cheekbones, obviously. I set it with the Rodeo Drive highlighter again. I use that all over my face pretty much. I go on my Cupid's bow and on the tops of my nose, and then I actually end up doing my eyebrows. I fill them in a little bit because of the look that I was going for today. I use the Anastasia Dark Brown Powder Duo, and I go in with just the brow gel and granite over on top to set my brows in place. From here, I'm just setting it again, blending some more because why not? I have a lot of time between getting ready and going out tonight. And then I'm just using my powder brush and my beauty blender to really help blend all of those layers together. Now I'm going in with NYX Natural Lip Liner. This is pinky and a little more neutral. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Seduction Liquid Lipstick right on top. I'm trying to give myself a nice peachy pink lip, just like I did with my blush. Here you can see me getting liquid lipstick on my chin, so it's fine. I end up going with a little bit of concealer, putting powder foundation. You couldn't tell it happened. I didn't freak out. So that's a little tip if you guys ever need one. Now to set my foundation in place, I'm gonna use the Milani Make It Last setting spray. I'm gonna fan my face to make it dry a little faster. This is when my boyfriend kind of starts to join me and we start doing the Urban Dictionary challenge. But I take my sweet ass time. I spent like probably 20 minutes just curling my lashes. I wanted them to look perfect. I curled them very well. I applied lots of layers of mascara. I really wanted to look done up tonight. So I achieved that look. I was very happy with today's look. This is pretty much the end of the tutorial, and we're just gonna start going into the Urban Dictionary challenge after this.
Drink. A down in your drink? I suppose you could say this is a type of drink, but it's sexual. Oh, okay, so it's not.
Oh, okay. Let me guess.
Yeah.
It's when your boyfriend is like standing on top of you or whatever.
What's this?
And then down under drink. Down under drink.
Down under drink?
Yeah, I'm guessing what it is. What? Did you hear that? Getting a beer, putting it into the vagina, and then drinking it. I think mine was better. Like a cum shot instead. Are you, hello?
Yeah, no.
I was recording that entire conversation, by the way.
Yeah, I know. Like, wait.
Do you wanna look up stuff in the Urban Dictionary and have me guess what it is? That sounds like a fun game.
Okay. Well, let's do the word of the day.
Okay, what's the word of the day?
Okay. Your Urban Dictionary word of the day is horny on main.
Horny on main?
Horny on main.
Like?
It's horny on main.
Horny like I wanna fuck
phrase.
horny?
Like, I don't know, horny like a frog? Like horn frog? Like horn frog? Like horns?
Okay.
Horny?
So one is like you're walking down the street and you have a boner and you can like see your like bone. And then the other one is like, it's like foreplay and you have a boner but it's like not going in. So you're like on main but you're not penetrating yet. Was that right? Those were my two.
You went like super left field with that. Like,
What?
You just, I don't know, you just went straight nasty with that.
What is it? You're gonna make me seem like a bad person.
A slang term for posting or engaging with sexual posts on your main social media account rather than a secondary one that you'd use.
Wow, you couldn't have given me a hint. You let me talk about walking down the street with a boner? Really?
Okay.
Alright.
Trending right now.
Trending right
Urban
now?
Dictionary, May 3rd, 2009.
Okay. Okay.
Stabbin' cabin.
Stabbing cabin? Is it sexual?
It's sexual, but not like a sexual act.
Oh.
It has to do with sex, but it's not an actual act of sex.
Is that the vagina? Stabbing cabin?
I said it's not an actual, it has to do with sex, but not an actual act of sex.
Well, the vagina isn't an act of sex, it's part of sex. An act would be like 69.
Okay.
No, I give up. You're making me feel stupid.
A secondary residence kept secret from one's spouse, used for extramarital sexual encounters.
I don't like that one. If I ever hear you reference the term stabbing cabin,
Stabbing cabin.
you ain't gonna have nothing to stab with, all right?
Urban Dictionary challenge.
Okay.
The triple B.
Oh, when I hear triple B, I think of big booty Billy. Busting big boobies.
Has nothing to do with boobs.
Is it sexual? Because if not,
No. This is a.
My mind will go somewhere else. I assume everything on
This
Urban
would be
Dictionary
a
is sexual.
colloquialism for. I don't know, what would you say it is?
Fat vaginas.
I mean, I guess it's more of a pronoun. Would that be a pronoun? Yeah. It's a title that you give someone. It's a title that you give someone.
Oh, okay, like my side man? Like
Yeah.
my boyfriend? My side boyfriend?
Yeah, kind of like that. Yeah. So, what is that? A relationship pronoun?
Oh. Think about what it could be. I don't know, I give up.
Otherwise known as back burner bitch. A name for someone who your group of friends doesn't particularly like to hang out with, but if you are alone and all other friends are busy, you call your triple B. They're
Back
always
burner
anxious
bitch.
and willing to hang out.
That's fucked up. I'm totally someone's back burner bitch, huh? Uh-huh.
Easy one. Acronym.
Okay.
Okay. TTYFAL.
Talk to you later, fucking loser.
TTYFAL.
TTYFAL.
Yeah.
Talk to you asshole later.
Got the F. Talk to your fat ass later.
Talk to your fat ass. I was close.
This has to do with drugs.
Okay.
Throw it out there. Pasted.
Pasted? Like you're super fucked up. Like I'm pasted, bro. Like I'm so fucking pasted right now, I can't even.
Yeah, pretty much.
Really?
So, pasted is a state of consciousness when an individual is so stoned that they are literally unable to move, finding themselves pasted to the couch or their attention pasted to some form of entertainment like a movie or a long series.
That's literally what I said.
Okay, this is a regionally specific term.
Okay.
With the shits.
With the shits? Like, oh, he's with the shits. Like, oh, he's fucking, like, he's down for his shit. Like, he's dope. He got it.
Okay, yeah.
That's not a regional thing.
Yeah, Chicago slang means to be in agreement with something. I'm just going off of Urban
California
Dictionary.
people say with the shits.
With the shits?
I've heard people say it anyways.
I
Maybe
just
it's 'cause
hear
I'm
I
from
got
the
the
ghetto.
shits.
I got the shits?
I got the shits. I gotta go take a shit.
Well, no shit.
Yes. Yes.
Spotify and side hugs.
Spotify and side hug.
It's sexual, right?
Not really.
Oh.
Spotify and side hug. It's a dating category. You know, it's what the boys did to you in high school.
Play me and break my heart and cheat on me?
Yeah. Spotify and side hug. A sad step below Netflix and chill. It's what you would do with some bitch ass punk you don't actually want to hang out with, let alone have sex with.
Oh, so you mean what I did to boys, not what boys did to me.
You're fucked up.
Okay.
This has something to do with our relationship. Okay?
Okay.
A love puff.
A love puff?
Love puff.
We don't really have names for the things we do. We're just weird.
Yeah. It's called a love puff. Now we're just bringing, you know, nomenclature to, you know, the terms of things that happen in our daily lives.
No, because you don't like that. So I wouldn't consider it love when I go like this into your ear and you hate it. But I do that to like annoy
Like
you.
What's that word?
I go like.
What does the dog do? Pant like a
Oh,
dog?
I pant like a dog.
You pant like
or
a
I
dog?
do ASMR. I go like into his ear. He hates that. But I wouldn't consider that love. That's why I'm like, that could be it.
Okay, you're like way off. Okay, love puff, a silent fart released whilst in bed with your partner that you were hoping wouldn't smell but does.
You
By
literally
calling
did
it-
that to me yesterday.
By calling it a love puff, you hope to maintain some level of cuteness and overcome the curse of the bad smell that threatens to ruin an otherwise romantic moment.
Honestly, he doesn't even try to hide it. Like he'll straight up just fart and then, what is it called? Dutch oven, and then put the covers over my head so I eat his fart. So if you want, you can call it a love puff. I'ma still hate you for it though. Snow fur.
Snow fur?
Snow fur.
Snow fur?
Yeah.
Old lady pubes?
You said I was bad, you're bad. It's the individual who drives you around in inclement weather because they're used to driving in the winter and you lack winter driving skills. Snow fur, someone who drives you in snow. Oh, the lady pubes.
You said snow fur, not like snow fear. Like chauffeur.
Oh, you want me to go
Like
fjord?
chauffeur. Like chauffeur. Chauffeur.
If I go chauffeur or snow fur, you're gonna know what it is. Blumpkin.
Oh, I just heard this one the other day. I can't even guess. I know I heard it the other day.
A male receiving genital stimulation whilst simultaneously taking a shit, a whiteout and a brownout at the same time. Perfect. That's literally what it says. It was perfect at the end.
What show did what?
Was it Broad City?
Yeah, I think it was Broad City. I think it was on Broad City.
Oh, they did bring up Blumpkin.
Okay.
They were talking about Devers. Oh my god.
Bevers?
Bevers.
You said Devers.
I said Devers?
I think you said.
I said Bevers.
No, I think you said Devers.
That's it.
D. Gooning. Gooning.
It has 436 likes, so apparently
Does it
that's
has-
what this is.
Well, does it have anything to do with my favorite movie of all time, The Goonies?
No, it has to do about the penis.
Gooning. Is it when you beat up your girlfriend with your penis? Slap, slap, slappy, slap, 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 slap. You go like a nightstick.
Ew. It says the state usually achieved after a prolonged edging session when a man becomes completely hypnotized by the feeling radiating his penis. Since a gooning state can only be achieved after edging, the man's dick will have become mightily aroused at this point. Every caress the male genitals are subjected to will trigger potent elation.
Okay.
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 Okay. Okay. You should know what this means. But dime piece.
You're a dime piece.
Aww.
10 out of 10 recommend.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 would share. Oh, I've never heard of this, but this is interesting. Chapstick lesbian.
Chapstick lesbian?
Yeah.
Okay, so like a lipstick lesbian is like someone who is like, it's like a pretty girls.
Uh-huh.
It's like they're only into pretty girls. They're lipstick lesbian. They're only like you know, a chapstick lesbian would be just, I don't know, would just be like a basic lesbian.
That's actually pretty dead on.
Yeah.
A lesbian who cares more about practicality than image. She really doesn't gravitate to the traditional images of butch or femme. She does what she wants and she doesn't really care how she's seen. And then the things that...
So like a normal
So like
person,
a normal human being.
A normal human being that just happens to be a
fucking lesbian.
Wow. Okay. Yeah. Someone who's just not like stunning for the scene. Right on.
I know. I'm like, wow. Like people really got it.
Okay. It's
Especially because chapstick over lipstick, like that's kind of fucked up. But
yeah. I don't know.
Urban Dictionary.
Like, there's normal people out there, you know? Would you be surprised?
Alright, gotta do my outro with me. So this is it for my video today. I hope you enjoyed watching me do my makeup. I'll try to do a little voiceover of what I was doing at least. This was my wonderful boyfriend Justin. I hope you enjoy our bonus little Urban Dictionary challenge. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Bye guys.
Bye.